Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel video, I'm going to show you how to add comments and notes to your Excel spreadsheets. These tools are really handy when you're sharing files and want to have discussions or leave reminders for yourself or your team. Let's jump in. Step 1. Adding comments. Here I have an employee list, and let's say we're sharing this with colleagues. Maybe we want to comment on some data points. For example, Jana hasn't worked many hours recently. Click the cell you want to comment on. Go to the Insert tab and select Comment. A comment box appears. Type whatever you want to say and click Post to attach it to the cell. Tip: you can use a mention in the comment box to tag a colleague. For example, type @ and their name, then continue your message. When you post the comment, that person will get an alert. This makes it easier for collaborators to see your comments. As multiple people comment, Excel creates a threaded discussion, so you can have an ongoing conversation right in the cell. Once the discussion is done, you can resolve the thread by clicking the check mark. This hides it, but keeps a record. Edit your comments if you need to update them. When you click away from the cell, you'll see a small comment icon. Anyone using the spreadsheet can hover over it to see the comment and any discussion. Step 2. Using notes. Excel also has a similar tool called Notes, which works a bit differently. Right-click any cell and choose New Note. You'll also see an option for New Comment here. A yellow post-it style note appears. Type your note and click Away. Now, anytime someone hovers over the small red triangle in the corner of the cell, the note pops up. Tip: notes are great for simple reminders or annotations, while comments are better for threaded discussions and collaborative conversations. Step 3. Managing comments and notes. Deleting comments. Click on a comment, then choose Delete if it's no longer needed. Deleting notes. Right-click the cell, and you can show, hide, edit, or delete the note completely. Both comments and notes are simple to manage and can make working in shared Excel spreadsheets much easier. And that's it. Now you know how to add, edit, and manage comments and notes in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, click the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.